Today, we're going to take a deep dive into some of the things I think you should do to scale your real estate business. So stay tuned for some great content coming your way. Some of the biggest questions that people have when they are getting into real estate investing is, how do you scale your business? And there are some key points that I think are very important to scaling your business. These fundamentals will take you a long way if you pay attention to them and implement them properly. The first thing you want to do is really be consistent in your business. You want to start to build consistency in what you do. A lot of people talk about that roller coaster in any business of ups and downs. And in real estate investing, it's really true for the most part when people do what we call marketing crazy and then implementing crazy and then marketing crazy and then implementing crazy, right? You're marketing, you're building momentum. You start implementing, your deal momentum falls down, you start marketing again and building momentum, and that can be a roller coaster that's going to make you nuts. What you want to do is find a rhythm, a cadence that's going to keep you consistent in your business and really keep your deal flow and your money flow working for you on a regular basis. Some of that happens because we get overwhelmed, right? We're doing our marketing, we go into implementation, and we can't do 10 things at once. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hire. When people talk about automating and scaling their business, the big fluff, right? I'm going to teach you how to automate your business. What they're really trying to tell you is that you need to hire somebody, hire good people to implement what it is you're doing for you when you don't have the time to do it. One of my first hires was a project manager because that was not something I loved to do, and that took me away from doing the marketing and really focusing on my business at a level that I wanted to. So hire for where you want to be. That's one of the things that I think is very important. You want to hire for where you want to be in your business. You don't want to get to a point where you're desperate and you're overwhelmed and then you hire, because really what you're going to be doing is you're going to be starting to plug holes instead of really building with the purpose. So hire where you want to be. When you're picking people, you want to pick the person first. You want to pick somebody that's teachable and coachable, somebody you can mold into what you need them to be. A lot of people think that they need to hire for the experience and they ignore who the person is, and they end up with problems in the organization. So when you're hiring for where you want to be and you're hiring with purpose and you have control of your business, you can really screw that up if you hire the wrong person. It's important to hire the person first and put the time and energy into developing them into the key individual, the key role that you need them to be in, and have them operate at their best capacity, because then you can really let go of that situation, that position that you're walking away from with confidence and focus on what your business really needs. The next thing you want to do is start to build systems and processes. People talk about systems all the time, and it's a sexy thing in real estate investing, right? Systems. What are systems? Systems are boundaries. They're boundaries that you implement in your organization. It's an if this, then that. If this happens, that happens. They're basically the wall between which things operate. So for instance, one of our systems is that our contractors have to invoice us by Friday for the payment that they want for the next Friday, right? I don't want payments coming in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or invoices coming in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, where I'm scrambling to write a check to my contractors. I want it to come in on a certain day so that we can cut checks on a certain day and we can move on to the things that are really important to our business after that. That's a system, okay? How your lead flow moves through your business is a system. And as you start to build your business with proper structure and systems, you're gonna find that your team's really gonna be able to know what to do, be held accountable, and know what success looks like in their position. And that's going to help you scale to another level. That's really going to take you out of your business to where you can start working on your business. The next thing you want to do is make sure you implement all of this. Everything that I share with you today, these are the foundations for success. I could sell you a course for tens of thousands of dollars telling you this, and people will pay it, but you got it free here in the YouTube video. So it's important for you to make sure that you're implementing this, and you're implementing it on a regular basis, and you are taking your business to the level it deserves to go to. Thank you for watching another video today. Make sure you're posting your questions and comments below. Your questions are important to me because I really want to design content that you're going to be able to utilize in your business and help you grow. So ask those questions so that we can make sure we're putting out the videos that you need. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on, obviously, subscribe here on YouTube. Make sure you're listening to the podcast on iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, the Flip Talk Podcast, and the Flip Talk Rookie Playbook. I've been putting out content for about 2.5 years, so I definitely have what you need. Check out the links below if you're looking for links to some of those resources. And until I talk to you again, have a wonderful day.